Gronholz with it. Hadlin. Here's Larson from the center point. Shot. They score! Josiah Gronholz off the deflection, and the Blizzard hit a power play goal for a 1-0 lead. Here comes Ashton Collins. Right wing pass. DeBrito with a shot. He scores! Michael DeBrito! Harrington has it again. Turnover. Gronholz in the high slot. Gives it off for Wasvik. Wasvik to DeBrito. Shot. He scores! Michael DeBrito! And the Blizzard are back on top. Right off the face-off, he scores! Josiah Gronholz! Off to Nolan Christie. Levis with it, into the slot. Christie with the shot, save, rebound! Abrahamson with another save. Face-off won by Kochanowski. 4-on-4 hockey here. Centering pass, oh my! Abrahamson, a sliding save.